These are the practical implications of SPSS, that once you are advanced in SPSS, what are the areas where you can utilize your skill. So here are few areas which are mentioned. So we'll discuss it one by one. The first is a research and academia. So SPSS is widely used in academic research to analyze data from experiment, survey, and observational studies. Researchers in field like psychology, sociology, economics, and political science, they use SPSS to test hypotheses, identify their patterns, and draw conclusions from data. So this is a one area where we actually use SPSS in a very widely manner. The second area where we can use SPSS is a business and marketing. SPSS is used in business and marketing to analyze market trend, customer preferences, and sales data. So companies basically they use SPSS to conduct market research, segment customer, and to develop marketing strategy based on their insight about data. So of course, like all of the companies who are running their business in a market, they collect data from field, like from their respondent, like wherever they want to launch some product, and further they analyze their data in a SPSS, and they see the trends, and according to those trends they make their strategies. And if somewhere they feel like this is an area where customers are not happy, so it helps them basically to enhance those weak areas over there. So yes, this is another area where we apply SPSS. The third is a healthcare and medicine. So in healthcare and medicine, SPSS is used in to analyze clinical trial data, patient outcomes, and epidemiological studies. Researchers and healthcare professionals, they use SPSS to identify a risk factor, evaluate treatment effectiveness, and as well as to improve healthcare practices. The fourth area that we see, that is a government and policy. So SPSS is used in government and policy research to analyze data related to public policy, social program, and demographic trends. So policy analysts use SPSS to evaluate policy outcome, forecast future trends, and as well as it helped them to make further decisions regarding those policies. Further, another area that we see, it's education and training. So under this, SPSS is used in to teach student and professionals about statistical analysis and research method. So many universities and training programs, they include SPSS in their curriculum to prepare student for data driven and decision making things too. And you might have seen, like nowadays, if you talk about BBA or an MBA, SPSS and a research methodology is a very common subject which is taught in colleges and universities. So this is another area, if you are really skilled with the SPSS, so that is the one area where you can easily use your skills over there. Another is a quality control and manufacturing. SPSS is used in quality control and manufacturing to analyze production data, identify defects, and improve processes. Manufacturer used SPSS to monitor product quality, optimize production process, and reduce waste. The last one we see, it's a financial services. So SPSS is used in financial services to analyze market data, predict financial trend, and manage risk. So financial analysts basically they use SPSS to make investment decision, assess portfolio performance, and develop financial model. So overall we see SPSS has practical implication across a wide range of field, which help researchers, analysts, and decision makers and make informed decisions based on data driven insights.